Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KavuCreative. Today, we'll crafting a minimalist donkey icon in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, double-clicks on the Artboard tool in the toolbar. Next, check mark on Show Center Mark in Display section. Then press OK. Make Fill off. Select Round Rectangle tool from Toolbar for Face. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set the width to 100 pixels and set the height to 120 pixels and set the corner to 30 pixels and press OK. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar for Mouth. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set the width to 120 pixels and set the height to 100 pixels and press OK. Hold down Shift key and press down arrow key 6 times. Now select Rectangle and select Direct Selection tool and hold down Shift key and select bottom anchor point. Press Delete key. Using Direct Select tool, do as I demonstrates. Hold down Alt key and scroll up or down with the mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Select Shape Builder tool and merge the shapes. Change its color using Eyedropper tool. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar for Eyes. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set both the width and height to 16 pixels and press OK. Change its color using Eyedropper tool. Hold down Shift key and press up arrow key 3 times. Now go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in Place. Hold down Shift key and press left arrow key 3 times. Select it and hold down Shift key and press right arrow key 3 times for right eye. Select Rectangle tool from Toolbar for Nose. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Set the width to 14 pixels and set the height to 20 pixels and press OK. Change its color using Eyedropper tool. Select Direct Selection tool and select both top anchor point and make it round. Hold down Shift key and press down arrow key 4 times. Now go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in Place. Hold down Shift key and press left arrow key 2 times. Select it and again hold down Shift key and press right arrow key 2 times. Select Arc tool from Toolbar. Left-click on it, and enter the length of the X and Y axis as 50 pixels each. Press OK. Hold down Shift key and rotate it. Select stroke color as black and increase stroke size and select round cap. Hold down Shift key and press down arrow key 7 times. Select Ellipse tool from Toolbar for ears. Hold the Alt key and left-click. Set both the width and height to 140 pixels and press OK. Go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in place. Hold down Shift key and press right arrow key 9 times. Select both and select Shape Builder tool and merge the shapes. Select Pen tool and make line as I demonstrate. Select both and select Shape Builder tool and make the shapes. Change its color using Eyedropper tool. Select both, right-click on it, and choose Group. Select Rotate tool and hold Alt key and left-click on top anchor point. Right angle as -30 degrees. Press OK. Now adjust it on head. Right-click on it and choose Transform and choose Reflect and set the axis to vertical and press Copy. Hold down Shift key and align it to left side for left ear. Select both ear and right-click on it and choose Arrange and choose Send to Back. Now select All and choose Group. Hold down Shift plus Alt key and make its copy to left side. Select Shape Builder tool. Change color using Eyedropper tool. Merge the shape as I do. Select Pen tool and hold Shift key and make the line in the center of donkey as I do. Select both and go to Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Right-click on it and select Ungroup. Select left side and press Delete key. Now, holding Shift key and put it on the donkey. Go to Transparency panel and select Blending Mode as Multiply. Now, select All and right-click and select Group. Select Ellipse tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Right, width and height as 350 pixels and press OK. Change its color using Eyedropper tool. Right-click on it and select Arrange, and select Send to Back. Now, select all and align them in the center from the Align panel. Make Default, Fill, and Stroke, and make Turn, Fill off. Select Rectangle tool. Hold the Alt key and left-click on Center Mark. Write Width and Height as 250 pixels, and press OK. Hold Shift key and rotate it 45 degrees. Now adjust it for shadow using Direct Selection tool. Change its color using Eyedropper tool. Go to Transparency panel and select Blending Mode as Multiply. Now select Donkey and right-click and select Arrange. Select Bring to Front. Select Big Circle and go to Edit menu and select Copy and select Paste in Place. Select All and right-click and choose Making Clipping Mask. And there you have it, a simple yet sophisticated creation. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Big shout out to our amazing community.